Okay guys, give you a little bit of walk around. This is the next day after I did the little intro, but this is the white car picked up from a buddy of mine, JR Castano, down in San Antonio, Texas. Big shout out to JR. I hadn't done much with it since I got it home, but I do have a motor and trans in the shop for it. Plans for this thing is 347. It's Pro Comp heads, unported. It is a Scat rotating, Forged rotating assembly, 30 over motor. Transmission from another buddy of mine down in the Houston area. Gonna be putting it together. Staying 4-lug. Right now it's just stock rear end that's underneath it. I think it's got 308s. Plan is 411s, Cobra rear diff. Just give you a little bit of a walk around about the car. Main reason I bought the car is it was painted. I live on a gravel road. I like white. When it's rinsed off, the car looks good. They did a good job on the inside here. I am going to replace the K-member. I replaced the fuel tank already. It has a Hellcat, I don't know, 525 horse pump in it, whatever that is. We're not going to make 525, not out on the 347. Not with the one I built anyway. Did run some new fuel lines to the front. It's got a fuel, the pump is in the tank. It's a brand new tank. Pump's in the tank. Run all the way to the front. It's braided lines. I got them rolled up, covered up there for when we get to that point. Got some dirt daubers all in it already. Threw some old drag lights that I've had off of another car years ago. That's a set of 10 holes from my buddy Thomas Lunn. I'm a 10-hole fan myself. The car right now has stock lowers. The torque boxes are not done yet. None of that stuff. So it's just kind of how it was when I picked it up. You see the interior. It's got some later model seats in it. Somebody put some black carpet in it. Steering column was kind of trashed, so my buddy Thomas Lund hooked me up with one for this car too. So I've got to put the plastics back on it. But plan is to leave the dash. Whatever you see in it right now is kind of how we're going to go. Going to be an automatic. You can see the insert that I've got right there from LMR. Going to mount it in there, try to keep it, you know, pretty much factory look. It does have a little bolt in. Well, I guess it's welded, but it don't have the swing out bars are welded up. It's hard on an old fat guy to get in there. Plan is to get this thing running. Go to the track, make some passes, get it tuned out. It's going to be carbed. 347, 750 double pumper. It's got a, I think it's a Speedway Automotive single plane with a 2-inch spacer. Clears under the hood. I shouldn't have any issues there. Plan to probably leave power brakes on it. It's got a loop on the steering column. You can see handiwork down there on the, cut the rack joint off, welded it up, got a aftermarket knuckle on there. That's how we're going to run the car. Get it going, see what it looks like, see what it'll do. 347, hopefully it'll run, I don't know. We'll get it tuned out. Hopefully this thing runs 750s pretty easy with a C4. I think it's a 3000 stall. We'll have to find out. I know a lot of people say, oh, it ought to run 680s. No, not with a 275-pound fat guy driving. Pretty much full interior. Right now it's got about 5 pounds of dirt daubers and red wasp died off in it during the summer. We'll get those cleaned out, but just want to give you a little look at the car. It's a clean car. I mean, probably a lot better than what I need, but anyway, I kind of fond of the white, like the coupes. I like the hatches too. I'm not one way or the other. I think I've got 3 coupes. I've got the black car, this white one, and I've got a 93 DPS car. I'll show y'all later. Anyway, appreciate you watching.